Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see revolve boss base options in SolidWorks 2020. So let's go in sketching mode, create a sketch on front plane. Suppose in order to create a revolve boss base, we have to first make an axis of rotation. Suppose I select a line as a vertical line and for construction and of infinite length, and I can set this line as passing through the origin, and you can see that this line is construction line. Then I can select a circle that is of 50 mm diameter, and this circle is at a distance of some 200 mm from the center, and you can see still it is not fully defined. So we can select the center point and this origin, and we can set horizontal relationship. Now I can exit from the sketch because it is fully defined. Now I can select a revolve boss base feature. I can select this geometry, and now you can see that already the axis of rotation has been selected as this line. Now we can create a direction 1 and direction 2. Suppose I select a blind operation and I select direction 1 rotation as some 150 degree. So you can see that this is my direction 1. From the sketch I can go, this is my sketch, I can go 150 degree. Okay, I can go 150 degree in this direction. Okay, and also I can go further 300 degree and 360 degree. So 360 degrees complete revolution, and we suppose we set it as 120 degree. So okay, so in this way we can change this angle. Now suppose I selected direction 2, and you can see again I selected blind operation and again I selected some 90 degree. So you can see that from here you can see this is my 90 degree. So in this way we can create an operation. So we can also add a thin feature to this revolve boss base, and thin feature we can set the thickness of that thin feature. Here we have selected the counters, but we have applied the thin feature, so we cannot see our counter. Also we can again see the similar option, that is up to vertex, up to surface, and offset from surface option that we have already seen in our extrude boss base tutorial. And in this way we can create an revolve boss base. Now we'll see the another use of this revolve boss base in our new file. So create a new file. Suppose we created a sketch on the front plane, and suppose I select the sketch, I select the vertical line for construction and of infinite length. Again I can go and draw some kind of sketches. So I can draw again a infinite length vertical line, and we can set the dimensions of this line separation, that is some 25 mm, and then we can create a sketch with respect to this line. So we can again select these lines and make them fix. Now you can see again we have to make this fix and make this one fix. You can exit from sketching mode. You can again go to the features revolve boss base, select this. First of all we have to select sketch counters. Select this sketch counter, delete this line and select this axis. So you can see we can create a revolve boss base. Again we can select a direction 2 of rotation, and we can also, suppose my direction 1 is some 120 degree, and again direction 2 as and we can set the thin feature option, and we can apply the thickness to this feature as some 5 mm, and we can create a features in this way. Now you can see in this way we can make use of extrude boss base to create a features. Now you can see that we have applied the thickness to this revolve boss base. So in this way we can work with revolve boss base. In our upcoming video tutorials we are going to see swept boss base and lofted boss base and boundary boss base. That's all in this video tutorial. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.